If you're wondering what is the Amazon Haul service, let me explain that quickly. We can open Amazon Shopping app since this service is only available on mobile devices, and I should also note that this service currently, as the date of recording this video, is only available in US. Now, when we have that established, we can go to the homepage of the app, and then on the top search bar, we can click on it and enter Haul. Then open Amazon Haul and we'll enter another section. And this basically works like Temu or AliExpress or other shopping apps like that. So you'll get the products in my opinion, very low quality, but they will have very low prices. So they will usually ship for a bit longer than normal items that you can purchase on Amazon. But anyway, you can just browse through those items, check the crazy low prices, or go through categories, find something you like and try ordering it. If you like it, then it should be good.